here we have the foot, what we call the foot, but these are the tarsals, these are your metatarsals, and these are your phalanges. Back here, we have the calcaneus. Then, if you look on this side, we have the talus, and the way you can identify that, it kind of looks like a talon. And then looking at the front part, this is the navicular. This is the cuboid. It looks like a cube. And then right above the navicular, there's 3 bones, and those are called the cuneiform bones. And then you move to your metatarsals, and they are numbered 1 through 5, starting at the big toe to the little toe. And then down here we have our phalanges, but the phalanges are broken up into separate pieces. You have your distal phalange, and then you have...
No, that's proximal.
I'm sorry, you have your proximal phalange, and that's the one closest to your body. And then you have your middle phalange, but your middle phalange is only located on toes 2 to 4. And then you have your distal phalange, and that's at the very end.
Okay.